ZUF United Front (ZUF) KAMSON has advised JIANCHUI faction to strictly adhere to ground rules of cessation of operation (CoO) and to stay quietly in the cage provided by Government of India. In a press note issued by Ministry of Information and Publicity, Rembengbe Inca, ZUF United Front asserted that ZUF JIANCHUI faction entered into agreements with Government of India and compromised the long-standing ZUF statehood and vision and legacy of Rani Gaidinliu. While calling ZUF JIANCHUI faction as traitors, ZUF KAMSON asserted that JIANCHUI faction possesses no political mandate to lead ZUF homeland movement after it signed alleged incomplete agreement on December 27 of 2022. While alleging ZUF JIANCHUI faction of sharing good relation with Kuki, ZUF KAMSON said the front will not remain silent and will continue to work for aspirations of ZUF people.